Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. These are the kits that I will have available for the April 15th, 2023 one-of-a-kind event in the virtual Facebook group. So it features the Starburst technique. This Abigail Rose kit will have a piece of the pattern paper and the rose gold foil, along with the sheet to mount your Starburst on, a mat, and then the inside piece, a couple of punches, some ribbons, and the butterflies, the gold brass butterflies. And then this kit, I have got two samples because I made the sample on the right, and then I realized I wanted to feature our fabulous rose gold foil paper in this technique. So your kits will include a piece of the rose gold foil paper. So you will be able to make two of these patterns if you substitute out the rose gold. You'll have to add your card bases though. So this kit, I'm showing a couple of different patterns because I'm limited on the stock for the patterns. So you might get different patterns for your teacups, this pattern, that pattern, or one of these patterns depending on how fast I run through my stock. To complete your kits, you'll have to add your own adhesive. I use the Granny Apple Green ink pad to stamp the cheers and the basic gray ink pad to stamp the happy birthday. And those came from the Lovely and Lasting stamp set. You'll have to add your adhesives, ink pads, and sentiment stamps to complete your kits. In addition, your purchase will include a emailed PDF file full of 17 different designs in this style, plus all the measurements and assembly tips as well. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or one-of-a-kind icon for full details on ordering. Hope to stamp with you soon. Bye.